yena kani akati lutho.
Ngabe yini?
The biggest fear. It was the biggest fear in the last few days, few weeks, a week or so. And uqinisile benzaba yanjabulo. And njengoba laba objective siflekile. Emaphoyisa ke aze asicela nawo anenombolo dakhe nawo ngosithole. But bekathi ningamethusi. And unfortunately people bakhulwa benta konke, it's like ngithole nje information nginayo ngishema screenshots uthi uye eMozambique nyalo for 5 months noNjabulo. So uyabona ukuthi wethukile la nikhuluma nela ko live nanani uyabona what they are linking this thing to me ukuthi uya eMozambique for 5 months. Uyabona ke ukuthi why sizame ukukhuda, but sometimes angikhuda abantu because angifundise bathi mhlawumbe ngizama controller ngeagenda uyabona.
Ubalekelani Njabulo? Yabona Njabulo okubanjwa kwakhe nguye lo yawusho ukuthi wayethunywe state noma wayethunywe ama comrades. Phela nango nje umuntu loyo sikhuluma.
Ngoba ngithi la wena comrade yabona this information. Mina ngiyayi ngayo ku Facebook ku live ukuthi uyabaleka Njabulo. But sinike amaphoyisa. Ngifuna ukucela ukuthi if all of us at least kule issue ya comrade back nasithola into ungabane ukuthi gifting ngethi inombolo lephoyisa noma ukungena information yakhe sinike la maphoyisa singayi ngayo ku Facebook kudasisita ukuthi if uNjabulo any other thing apprehended labantu lisenze kule phase le.
But bo comrade IB gift kumbe wona Thabiso vele uyakwenyanya unyanya latinfodent eswalimo ababakhuti ngani bo Thabiso because this siphendvula bona ngoba asinophethe ukufukwa but sengiyakuva lokukhuluma. I promise mina sengiladibinzela Nkosi. Yabona muhla ungelaphile angisaphindi nje ngikhulume nalebe ngikubhalile nyalo ngiyakudelete nje. Angisaphindi nje ngikhulume. Angisaphindi ngikhulume.
I promise you mina ukudala ngimukako bangitrika ama-endla bukiwe and amaphoyisa asiyala sathola leli gazi angitrika ama-endla bukiwe and any of them could be true. Any of them kude lesikasi mhlawumbe number 1 ifezi la kwemasichaza siprocessa la South Africa akhambe nje uyogula umuntu ngoba solo umuntu mhlawumbe usoliwe usole umufu usole ngibani baqale ba-investigate baqede bese-ke baniketa le investigation ku-prosecuting authority lenyona-ke bese seyikhipha-ke le warrant of arrest yalaba abamcabanga ukuthi vele sebasuse konke lokunye lokuma-possibilities sebashoka ukuthi hhayi naye inkuzimalaga lefanele asidila nayo.
Yeah, but wena
bantu abangonabufakazi ngithi
but wena
siyala because we wanted him to go kumgola lo Njabulo kusengitshela nje manje sifuna kumgola and we had the capacity to do so. Athi amaphoyisa no.
Uyabona ke ukuthi nemaphoyisa nawo asekhathi akakathengwa nawo wayale kuyogola umuntu unyala ubalekile semabhuti utawuthola phe gift. Why ale umuntu phela nangu lo amshayela licingo wamkhipha endlini balelani ukuthalana
khona ukuthi mhlawumbe ngibe objective ngakwesho information into banayile kahle nako mina ngine messages from